Morning, travellers! Look! Dave's got friends! Spend half my life on bloody paths, don't I? Don't lead me down the garden path. I got there and there was one Triumph Tiger, then there was another Triumph Tiger, and then I turned up. We had 4 Triumph Tigers to start off with, but now we've been joined by some Harley Davidsons, a Blackbird, a Versi, and that's about it. Trevor's in the lead. They're a bit worried about coming out on the wet roads. Come with us, boy! He was sitting there when I filled up on the other side there. Oh, it's good to be back. Going for breakfast, but you know me, I was sitting there eating at 8 o'clock this morning, weren't I? Had me 2 sausages, 2 eggs, 2 hash browns, 2 black puddings. No bacon today, mate. Made too much mess of me air fryer, mate. Lovely day yesterday, wasn't it? There was plenty of bikes out, as there will be today, I should imagine. More this afternoon when it gets up to the crazy heights of about 8 degrees. But when the sun's out, mate, that seems like even the Harleys are out. Oh, checked the oil yesterday, topped her up, put a little bit of water in there. Tyre pressures, front was 30, so I banged that up to 36. Rear was 40, so banged that to 45. That old boy's getting old. He looked after that grass out the front of his house there. Been doing it for donkey's years. Yeah, what else did I do? Oh, repaired. I looked at the buzzer and I couldn't see without taking a whole lot of stuff off the arse end of the bike where the indicator wires were, so I think I'm going to go frontwards anyway. I think that would be beneficial anyway, because I think if I located them on the back I wouldn't hear the damn things, would I? But as I was fudging about at the front there, I noticed one of the indicator wires was looking a bit dodgepot, so I put a new connector on now. I'm wearing my Temu base layer, but the only trouble is that doesn't come down your arms very far. It's very tight fitting. It's black and tight, and that stand there at Dobbies you could feel it. It's not thermal or nothing, it's just a tight layer against your skin, isn't it? And yeah, it works a treat. We're back in the black trousers because I've had to buy some adventure braces for them red ones, because they're a little bit loose around the waist, mate. Bit loose fitting, mate. Comfortable though. And I don't mind a bit of colour design. We're not going back roads because for some reason I think it's an American thing. Is that right? Harley Davidsons do not like wet, salty roads. I don't know, is that a thing? So I think we're booting it down to down the A12 here, and as I was saying earlier, I think they've put in a new bit of tarmac what leads from the A12 Darsham area down to Sizewell, because if you didn't know, we're getting a new Sizewell power station, and they've getting in preparation for that big time. I'll show you later. Anyway, that's the intro. Yoxford, not Darsham. There was a whacking great pothole. See all the groundworks what they're doing here. This is all to do with Sizewell. I can't remember them doing it for Sizewell B. So this is either going to be where the loads are brought or transporting people. They're doing that already, because a friend of ours' son works at Sizewell, lives at Aldeburgh. This isn't going to mean shit all to you if you don't live local, but he has to come all the way Woodbridge way, I believe, to catch a bus, then go back to Sizewell in the bus, where Aldeburgh to Sizewell is no distance at all, and that's all in the name of Net Kin Zero and health and safety. I don't reckon there was a lot of health and safety back in the days of Sizewell A. Huh? Anyhow, this has all been restricted down to 30 miles an hour. The whole bit, right down to Blythburgh and Leiston, everything here is 30 miles an hour everywhere now, due to Sizewell C. Welcome to Leiston. As you can see, Leiston Abbey over to your right. A Saxon small holding. Oh, I watched Time Team when they were down at Dunwich. That was bloody interesting, that was. Bloody interesting. Here, Tony, come and have a look here. Here, Tony. No, we should have gone that way, but we'll go with Trev. We'll go with you, Trev. Perhaps it's more exciting going through Leiston. I don't know if I got my bulletproof vest on, just in case. Arrow vest. What a lovely morning to be walking your dog, sir. I should put a hat on if I was him, a nice woolly one. This is I don't look like that's anything to do with size, or do it look like they're going to clear it, get the newts out and build on it, mate. This is coming up on your right is the Master Lord Industrial Estate where Dave Silvers is. That video done quite well. We'll have to go back there. I think Wiggy's boys and girls are going there this year. Just up there, like at the back there. And obviously at this junction here, hopefully Trevor will go left, or else I don't know where he think he's going, really. Oh, I don't think he does know where he's going. Trevor, it's that way! Oh, here we go. Oh, what are they doing? Playing pétanque. Have you ever played the French sport pétanque? We used to do it at, where the hell did we used to do that? At a pub somewhere? Did we? Pétanque. This is Platters Walk, leading to Old Foundry Place. I'm gonna buy Trevor a sat nav. I'm gonna buy Trevor a sat nav. Unless he just wanted to come for a pose through Leiston, I reckon. Watch out, camper coming. Off-road. Morning. Morning, fellow biker. Morning. She telling us to slow down. I don't want to be nicked for speeding again. You go for years, don't you? That's the old young fun. If you'd like a bit of dog or cat, that would be the place to go. Dog fight. Dog fight on a Sunday morning. Oh, what's going on here? Morning, sir. We're going up here for breakfast. We've been here before a while ago. Thank you. Lovely bit of parallel parking. Well done. Morning. Been down to the beach. He give a look as if a keen motorcycle. He gave me the same look I give people with electric cars. Did you notice that? Right, we're turning in here just by Victoria Car Sales of Leiston. This is where the electric parking is. Look, where they've got the disabled sign. We ain't all going to get in there, are we? We're at the Bacon Butty. The Bacon Butty. Bacon Butty. Whoop there, too far. We'll have to take Trevor to Scotland. He liked doing slow roads, so they do 20 up there, can't he? Oh. Bloody hell. Don't look back in anger.
That must be the longest 30 miles.
That's what I just said, yeah. We're taking him to Scotland so we can do 20.
Wales.
Yeah. Proper job. Well, that was the Bacon Butty calf. What do you reckon of them old 1050s then, eh? Look alright, don't they? Dirty bike, proper bike. You can tell the old boys who do a little bit over winter, can't you? Huh? Anyhow, who? That's well lubricated tyre, isn't it?
I don't like them old antiques.
Are you homeward bound or?
Yeah. Huh?
Are you homeward bound or?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I've got to go and see Dion. Got to put an L plate on his moped or something.
You lost it the other day. You spotting it, did
Yeah, that's his front one now. I think was a bit iffy.
Oh dear.
Shit, I nearly forgot. Anyhow, why who? This has been a Triple Dave Belen production. Just ran through the woods there. I guess we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.